Hello everyone. My name is Ajit. Welcome back to the video. By now you would feel that the table that you had created would be, considered by the Excel sheet as a table. No, it doesn't work like that. In order for Microsoft Excel to consider a table or recognize a table as a table, you have to convert it. So, in order to convert this particular you know data that you have in Excel sheet into a table format, you have to change it to a table. All right. So, how to do it? We will see it in this short video. Before we begin, I just wanted to thank you all the viewers, to subscribing my channel. The subscriber count as of today is 50, and I'm very happy that today is the day when my channel marked the 50th subscriber. Thanks to you all for the support. I know the channel has to grow a lot, but even 50 means a lot for me, since it's a very small channel and I have started uploading video recently. So the next milestone is 100. I hope you all will support me and try to help me to achieve that 100 milestone as soon as possible. So for that, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also comment it so that YouTube algorithm will push my videos to all the viewers and help them to learn these simple tricks. All right. So as I mentioned, how to change a a particular data into a table which would be recognized by Excel. And why it is important is because when you create a pivot table and all, if you do any updates, if there are any rows or anything getting added, so the pivot table will automatically recognize the overall area. So that said, there are a few more benefits of converting the data into tables. I will show it to you uh, very soon by the end of the video. So now you have to select the data that you want to convert into table like this, and then click on insert. After clicking on insert, you will select table like this. Okay, now click on OK. Now you would see that the now the way it looks also changed, the look of it. All right, the color has changed and it's looking better now. What you can do is you can also change the colors by clicking over here. So you can either go for a light one, as I previously had. You can have a blue one, you can have a black colored. So whatever you want based on your requirement and need, you can change the color and the format of it like this. All right, so this is how you can convert a particular data in Excel into a table. The reason behind it is because it will help to uh, for Microsoft Excel sheet to recognize that particular data as a table itself. And also, if you see, if I put any formula, right? If I enter any formula here, okay, now as soon as I entered sum as the formula, you can see that the rest of the total table, it is giving me like the options here, which you usually not find in the normal table, right? So likewise, you can easily get a total row added if you have a table, and it helps you to average or whatever you require. So guys, I hope you understood the importance of converting the data into table and how easy it is to do it. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you have any feedback about video in the comments box. Thank you so much guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.